So friends, in this chapter, we will see what is slot probes. So already we have seen that we can pass data from parent to the child. But here what we are seeing is how you can take data from child to the parent. So already we have seen when we are using this component inside the parent, we are passing props with the help of export keyword. Now in this case, in this scenario, we will see how child is giving data back to the parent with the help of slots. So already we have seen slots, name slots, and fallback slots. So with the same examples, or we'll create some new example here, we'll understand how data from the child is getting passed to the parent with the help of let variable. Okay, so let's see this in action. So this was the last example. So probably I'll create a one new file here in the lib folder, new component here. I'll say that slot props.svelte. Okay, and what I'll do, I will import that file. Import dot prop from lib slash. Okay, so this file is available, and I will comment everything whatever we did for the last lecture, so that you will have a clear understanding of what we are doing now. So everything is gone now. So let's take this out. Now I will say slot prop here, or rather this time we have, okay, okay, fine. So we'll say slot props. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one simple counter here just to demonstrate the how variable we can pass. So I'll just what quickly I will create one counter here. I will create one count. So let's say let count equal to 0, and I will increment that count with the help of button. Say let's say button I will create. Okay, and I will define this as a count, and I will say here on increment, on click of this equal to increment count. So I am saying increment count here. I am writing one function here. So I'll say function I count, and I will simply what I'll do, say count plus plus. Now what will happen, this will give me a counter. Okay, now so this is my simple component, slot props. Now here I will close this. In the app, how I will get this variable, means this counter. Okay, so we know that for getting anything here, we have to say what we have to say. We have to say slot, correct? So what I will do here, I will create one slot. We have already seen this. Okay, what we have to say, we have to say slot. Now the moment we say slot, we are able to write anything over here. My goal is, correct? So I am able to write with the help of slot. Now we also know that whatever we are writing here, is going where? It's going inside the slot. Okay, so here we will say in the slot we will take this variable. So variable, how we will take? We will say count equal to, in curly braces we will say count. Okay, now this count will collect where? Will collect in the parent. So how we will collect? We'll say, we'll use a let keyword here, let count. Okay, now here I can use this same count. I will say count. Okay, now if you see this, I am getting this variable. This variable I am getting from where? From here. Okay, so this is a simple way how I did this. I have created one slot. You already know how to create the slot. I have passed this variable here. I can change, I can write this also. See, this is also the correct way. See, still coming. Or you can, if you want, you can change the name also. Let's say if you want to say goal. But what you have to define now here, you have to say let goal. Now this become goal. And here you have to say goal. Okay, so still this is a way of writing. So this is a shortcut way of, this is the shortcut way of writing. Okay, and you can change the name variable also. So we are getting this now. Suppose what is the need of taking this variable and using in the parent component? Suppose if parent component has some logic. Okay, logic would be, let's say my count is less than 12, then I am counting this, then I'll say guys, I will use here, I will say guys, please wake up. If my count goes above 12, I say you did it. Okay, I'll write this, but here I have using it as a goal. So you have to say here goal. Now what happens? Whenever this condition is less than 12, I am going to get this. Okay. My goal, value of goal is less than 12. If that is correct, guys, please wake up. Coming, guys, please wake up. Now if I add this, you did it. See, so this is how you can implement the variable from this place to this place and run some dynamic logic over here. So this is the way how I passed. So this is on the slot. What I did, I have created this goal equal to count, and count is this value. This count is this value. I am collecting it on goal, and I am saying that let goal here, and I am using here in the slot. So you can do this for named slot also. So you know what is named slot. You have watched my previous video. So this is the case of without named slot. Let's use the name slot now. Now I will give some name here. Okay, and for getting the name slot, what I have to do? I have to create that with the name slot equal to logic. Now I am able to get here. So now if I say, see, you are getting this where it is going, it is going inside this slot. Okay, inside this slot. Now how I will collect this variable? I will say here let goal. Okay, and again I will use here same thing. I will use this same thing over here. Okay, now see my goal. See, you did it after there is a condition. So this is, guys, you can use it for name slot. This is for without name slot, normal one, and this is with the name slot. So name, just remember this, you have to use the let keyword here, and here you have to define the variable like this. Okay, so and you are using named slot, so you have to define the name as well. So this is the example of how you can use slot prop in the Svelte. So hope you have understood this very well. So please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next chapter. Thanks.